3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? Pokemon Seven here, and today we are going to be looking at the new Animal Jam update. I have not seen anything about this update. I don't even know what's going on. I just know that it's Thursday and there's probably going to be an update. I saw the title of the video from Julian 2, AJ. He's really cool jammer. I haven't watched the video, but it said slavery. It's about slavery, so I have no idea what's gonna go on. So let's see. No, the music is on. The music. Okay. So have you heard? Giraffes are now available for all jammers? Giraffes are for all jammers! Oh my gosh, that's awesome! Yes! That's so cool! Oh my gosh, yay! Okay, introducing head feathers. The incredible brand new accessories. Whoa. Let me just, 1 second. I need to turn this music off. Woo! That's better. Okay. Alright, so we're at this. Wait, only be available for 2 These are not new. These have been here before. I'm actually gonna get one though. National Honeybee Day. Celebrate these incredible insects by picking up all the cool accessories and den items. Don't forget to honeybees are returning to Magellan, and they're all jammers. Click the adopt button above, or any effects to your own pet honey. So I'll be getting a pet honeybee after this. We have to get it. Help protect the Phantom Beacon and end up all the Phantom foes on this awesome adventure for all jammers. Oh, cool, says none. Now you can trade your pets to your trade list and trade them. You can trade pets. Why would you do that, dear? Oh. Is this gonna be a whale? This kind of looks like a whale because you can see that's the head and the tail. So it could be like a whale, like a camel or a sheepy. She can have like a sheep, with legs, and a sheep mouth and stuff like that. I don't know. Oh, please, baby. Oh, this looks like close to I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so they're traveling. Rhino's returning soon. That's cool. Okay, so we have to get a pet honeybee first off because everyone wants a pet honeybee. Why does my look keep changing? I have to change my. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's the same. It's just glitching out. Okay, well, let's get a pet honeybee, everyone. Let's go. I'm gonna make the kawaiiest honeybee ever. We're gonna make the kawaiiest. Okay, so I'll make it like this, good green color. I'll make it yellow. Does that look good? That looks good. Okay, and then we'll have we need kawaii eyes. Oh my gosh, it's so kawaii, guys. Oh my gosh, those are kawaii eyes right there. I don't know which ones are more kawaii. I think those are more kawaii. Pattern. Ooh, that's pretty kawaii, guys. Ooh, oh, it's so fuzzy. Like the fuzzy one. It's so fuzzy. I like the fuzzy one. Fuzzy. Okay, now I need wings. Those are pretty kawaii wings, guys. Not quite. Oh, so cute. I have to say though, I believe these are really kawaii wings. Now the antennae. They're so kawaii. These ones are kawaii. Okay. Randomize it now. I'm never going to treat this way. Okay. Now we're just gonna keep spinning it until we get the kawaiiest name ever. Yellow scale. Ew, that is not kawaii at all. Making me dislike it so much. I say that while I'm opening a new tab. Rivers a lot? Rivers a lot. That makes sense. Because, that makes, like, a really good sense. Rivers a lot. Rivers a lot. Yep. Yellow Joey, I like it. Yellow Joey is really kawaii. Yes. Hey, plenty gems. Oh, look at it. The kawaii-ness. Where's the kawaii-ness? I need to see his kawaii-ness. Oh, he's so kawaii! Same chance it will happen, I know it. But it's actually sleep. So, yeah, bruh. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you can add pets. Like, what? Just, what? Ooh, what pet am I going to see if people want? I don't want to trade my Jelly Booster, because my Jelly Booster is, like, my best. Like, he's, like, my favorite. I'll trade my kitty. I'm sorry, kitty. I know you love me, but I feel so bad. I don't want to trade it. This is so sad. I feel terrible. I don't wanna. Wait, puppies are diamonds now? What? What? Puppies are worth diamonds? Puppies did not used to be diamonds. This is outrageous right here. I'll trade water to. Oh, yeah. I don't want to trade it, but I have to. It's the sake of the video. Please, someone trade me an animal. I feel really bad. I don't want to do it, but I'm doing it for you guys. I'll trade this puppy. I can't believe they cost diamonds now. What the heck? Like, what? Sorry, I'm acting like a stream, but I'm like a really big fan of hers. Ocean Snake. I'm just putting all my pets on trade. This is, I feel really bad. I'll put Jellywing in there too. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm like chaining them up. Just say pets for sale. You have to sleep or else I'll report you. Oh my gosh, that sounds so wrong. Maybe I should report you for telling people to sleep. Man, 11. Wow, 11 mail in like 10 minutes. Okay, this is boring mail. Ew, it's boring mail. Ew, gross. Gross mail. What does it say? Please trade me a lemur clip. There's Lazuli. Sorry. Metallic silver. Lapis lazuli. Hibadi badu 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 badi. Schema mummy. La da di da di da do da do da di. Habadu masku mummy. How did do 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 daddy? I'm gonna put some music on while I'm here, so I might as well listen to this song I like. You don't like rock music? I'm sorry. So sorry if you don't like music. So just listen to this music, and I'll talk when I get to the when I get a trade request. So you have to wait. Oh, well, I have 30 seconds though, I guess. I don't know what it's like to be treated a beautiful, back. Oh my gosh, look at the bee dancing. I just noticed that. It's like, but I'll see you guys in the next video. So, hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye!